Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be all about cleaning my back porch and decorating it for spring. I have got a bridal shower this Sunday, so this is pushing me, which I love it when something like that happens, to push me to get something done. So come along with me while I clean and decorate my porch. The first thing I started with was my outdoor drapes. I got these on Amazon along with my drapery rods, and I will put a link in the description of this video. Now they attach super easy. They have Velcro loops, so it was very easy to take them off the rods. I need to take them down because they have a lot of pollen on them, and I want to get them nice and white and ready for the bridal shower. So I'm going to pile them all together, and I'm going to put them in the wash, and I like to use OxyClean and bleach. That will help them get nice and white. Next, I'm going to use my favorite tool that my husband got me. It is a lightweight battery-operated blower. It is really one of the best gifts I've ever gotten. Now, it may be battery-operated, but it packs a lot of punch, and the battery life is impressive. I'll also put a link to this in the description of the video. Whoops, I guess I forgot about this one. Oh well. I'm ready now to clean my dining table. The biggest indicator that it needs cleaning is the thick coat of the yellow pollen. I'm going to give it a really good wash. All of my tables outside, I put a coat or two of polyurethane so that it gets protected from any of the elements. I continue to wipe down all the hard surfaces and get all of the pollen cleaned off. One of my favorite pieces is this coffee table. It's a storage coffee table that I found on Facebook Marketplace. Now it's time for me to wipe off all of the cushions. I do this with a dry cloth. Then I will take a dry brush and clean the wicker, removing all of the cobwebs and dust. I leave no stone unturned. Now it's time to add pillows to my love seat and my chairs. Then on the day bed, I will pack up and store all of my winter pillows, and I'll bring out new colorful pillows. I grabbed a few new ones this year from Home Goods. I always try to find pillows that have zippers because it makes it so much easier for me to wash them. I think this looks so much better, and it's ready for the summer. I almost forgot the window. A little bit of Windex and a cloth, and it's good to go. I have this empty corner that I'm going to bring to life with a little bit of faux greenery. My drapes are done from the wash. I'm just going to hang them up and let them dry in the sun. They already smell amazing. And I'm just going to add a little tie. For the bridal shower, I'm going to add this bow that is the bride's color. I'm going to add it to the wreath and hang it above the mantle. Now I'm going to add some real plants and flowers. I'm going to start with a fern. After I pet my pup, who really wants to help, I'm going to set the fern in this pot for now and I'll plant it later. This is my very favorite fern. It is a maidenhair fern. It is so wispy and has beautiful movements when the wind blows. I'm going to plant it and use it as the centerpiece for my coffee table. I want to add a flower that has a little bit of color, and I think this salmon and orange color will be beautiful. I'm going to pot it and place it next to this antique bench that I found at an antique store. I'm going to add a few more flowers around the porch to add pops of colors here and there. In the two corners of the porch, I'm going to add 2 cat palms. Now I'm ready to accessorize the fireplace hearth. I'm going to place 2 lanterns on one side of the hearth. Then on the other, I'm going to place this rabbit weather vane that I've had forever and a little bit of greenery. Time to put a centerpiece on my main dining table. I'm going to use a wreath and then use a large glass with a large candle inside, and that's all I need. Here's a fun little decorating hack I like to do. I will add real dirt to a faux plant, and when you have real plants and faux plants on your porch, but you have real dirt in the faux one, nobody knows. The last thing I'm going to do is add a few accessories to this table, making sure I have room for my coffee mug. Well, that is it. It's a lot of hard work, and I had some help from my doxies, but the porch is now refreshed and ready for spring. I always find cleaning projects so rewarding and calming once completed. What about you? What is your favorite thing to clean for spring? Let me know in the comments below. Now that this is all clean, it makes me excited for the bridal shower that I'm hosting. I'm going to be posting some videos about the shower as well as some of the decorations I made. So be on the lookout for those. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video and that it motivates you to do a little spring cleaning outside as well. You deserve it. We should all take time to enjoy our outside surroundings. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. We're going to have more videos coming out later, and I hope you have a wonderful day.